button here. Today we will be playing Geometry Dash. It's kind of like the hardest game in the world, but it's called different things. So let's just start. This is my first attempt. I've never played this, but never played this before. I'm terrible at this. This is just first level. Just first level. See, I'm good at this. Woohoo! Okay. See, I'm good at this. 24%. See? That was my third try. I got 1% on my first try, and then 2% on my second one. I knew it. I was sitting there thinking to myself, there's going to be that one spot that wants to trick you. There it was. Oh, games like this do that. They make you think you're good at this game, and then they kablam! Dead. What's the triangles got against the box anyways? Seriously, what'd the box ever do? Woohoo! We're a rocket ship! How's this work? Oh, okay. Oh, steady flying. Why do the triangles hate the box so much? The circles don't seem to hate him that much. The circles guide him. Why do the triangles hate me? How do I get that? I don't know how to get that. But yeah, the triangles or the circles are nice, but the triangles are evil. The triangles want to kill me. What I do? I steal their coins? Obviously not. I'm incapable of getting them. Triangles are just mean. Circles are nice. Circles protect me. Actually, the circles do crap. Except just sit there and blink. I'm terrible at this. But you see, this first part, I've got this down. It's that one part that messes me up. One part where it tricks me. Right here. Let's fly! Spaceship! Spaceship part is easy. There are no circles that do nothing. But literally, the triangles have some grudge against this circle. And it makes no sense to me. Oh, there's an opening there. I'm not supposed to jump. I was supposed to jump there. I am terrible at this. Come on. So bad. I've got this part down. Seriously? I care a little. The game looks hard. Whoever's doing that is probably a pro. How do they expect me to do that? I'm playing that game next. That's what's happening. Alright, now let's try this again. And possibly not fail. Okay. 61%. Attempt 1. Oh, attempt 1? Huh? I haven't played yet. What you talking about? I haven't done nothing. I'm a failure. I'm terrible at this. 61% on the first level. I'm so bad. I even knew it was there. I mean, I haven't done this before. What are you talking about? Shut up. I'm not sure what you're talking about. You weirdo. I'm so bad. What's wrong with me? My badness is gonna rub off on all of you. Leave quick. Disease with my terribleness. There we go. Now, seriously? Alright, don't hold the jump unless those little circly dots are there. Yeah, I think that's what they're trying to tell me. Don't hold the jump unless those circly dots are there. At no point do you hold the jump unless you see circly dots. Circular dots. Not circle. See? They're telling you to jump. Oh, and that one tells you to fall down. It's like they're guiding. Oh, it wants me to go down. Now it wants me to go up. Now it wants me to go through, and now down, and now up, and now down, up, up, up. Oh, the circles are guiding me. I already said that, but I didn't realize they were actually... I'm terrible at this. I didn't realize they were actually guiding me. No! How did I do that? I don't even care. That was awesome. No! We've only made it 68% within 7 minutes. I'm so bad. And this is the first level. This is terrible. We're gonna beat this. You got that? We're winning. You see? We're gonna make it. I've got this. I've got. Ooh, the background's going purple. Purple's soothing. I like soothing. I still want to know why the triangles hate the circles so much. I meant the squares. Why the triangles hate squares. I'm not a circle. I'm obviously 2 squares. The triangle was literally there waiting for me to destroy me. These triangles literally want to murder me. As the spikes fall behind me, trying to stab me. Oh, dang it. Oh, I see what it is. There's a bottom out through every single block there. Okay, we're almost there. Did I have to say something? I'm so bad. I am literally terrible at this. Like... I don't even know what I'm doing with my life anymore. What's the point? This square probably stole these triangles' coins. Do you know what that means? I'm the bad guy in this game. I'm stealing these triangles' coins. And the circles, they're my accomplices. So the triangles are the good guys? Is that what this game is trying to tell me? That I'm the monster all along? That I probably shouldn't even be playing this game because it's terrible for my health. I don't know why it's terrible for my health. Ask the game. It's the one that said it, not me. So what it's trying to teach me is that the bad guys are good if they're squares. Alright everyone, if you're a square, you're a good guy no matter what. Whether or not you steal coins from triangles. This game's got a good message. What am I doing? Ooh, skidding! That's what I'm doing. Oh, I got it! I got the coin! Does it keep it? Or do I have to get them all in one run? Here, let's find out after I die next time. Or, no, let's find out now. Home. Did I get it? It didn't give me the coin. Ah! I'm so bad. Nah. Don't jump multiple times. Oh, what the heck? Wait a second. That was weird. The circles, they weren't hollow. Just now. See? They're no longer hollow. They were earlier in the video. See? They're not blinking. They're like that sound. Lots of sound. Don't everyone love sound? I did it! I got the coin! Yes! I did it! Shut up! I got the coin. And we told that angry lawnmower to... We told the angry lawnmower to shut up. And we got the coin. That's all that matters. We got this. Oh my gosh, I was actually trying just then. Why is this game a thing? Who wants to do this to people? This is terrible. We gonna beat this level. Yeah, we gonna beat it. My grammar perfect. Shut up. Shut up. Up here. Just one let go. Like, it's easier to hold on than it is to let go for some reason. That jump always gets me! I'm so bad! Hello. Okay then. No, I do not want to play Puzzles and Dragons. I want to play my game. Thank you. Okay. Attempt 1. This is my last attempt, everyone. I got this. So far, so good. Yeah, I got this. Oh no! Nothing happened. Ooh, we're just starting this game. We're gonna beat the whole game in one attempt. We got this. Woo. Ooh, attempt 1. Yeah, I just started. I'm gonna beat the game in one attempt. 'Cause I'm a pro. Never played this game before, I swear. Now the dots have eyes on them. What the heck? The circles, they have eyes on them now. Now I know they're changing, and I'm not just weird. Why are the circles changing? Every time I quit and rejoin, the circles have different things on them. I mean, I haven't quit and rejoined once. This is my first attempt. What are you talking about? Shh. Here it is. Yeah! Got the coin. I just gotta win with it. I stopped jumping. Well, that's all. You know what? We're gonna try practice mode once. Yep. Okay. Gem. Oh no. Gem. Oh gosh. I may or may not have screwed up just now. Okay, bye. I'm leaving now. This is stupid. No! I'm never playing this game again. You can bet money on that to your friends. Never. Goodbye. I'm leaving now.